Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today I have really excited video for you guys. So I finally bought a refurbished iPhone 12 mini from the Cashify. I don't know why they don't have Cashify on the box. There's not too much to look into it. It is basically a refurbished version. I think I bought the fair one, so I really want to see how bad this one is. As you can see, I just removed the an easy process. As you can see, here's the phone itself. The good thing about using refurbished or buying refurbished phone is you will save a lot of e-cycle, which can help the environment. So if you think about it, it is good thing. As you can see in the box, you will get some paperwork and rapid phone repair. I don't think I will get any original accessories in the box. So as you can see, here's the cable or lightning port to charge, and this is the charger I got. I don't really think it is original. Yeah, and here's the iPhone itself. Let me unbox this phone. Okay, so let's see inside the phone. As you can see, there are no visible crash. I'm really surprised, like literally none. Not on the back as well. This looks like really brand new, and I bought the fair version, so you can expect really good quality. I mean, there are some small hinges, like small scratches, but they are not visible at all. If you look from this looks like a brand new phone to me. So let me turn this on and we'll check that out. Let me unlock this, and here we go. As you can see, I didn't have to set up the phone. It was already set it up. So let me check out the camera, and it's working perfectly fine. Everything in this section is working fine. Let me check the front camera. So as you can see, even the front camera is working fine, and the back camera is also working fine. I will check if any part is replaced, but I really don't think it is replaced at all. As you can see, portrait is working. Let me see if there's any defect in recording videos, and not at all. As you can see, wide angle camera is also working. So everything seems pretty great shape. But first, let's check out the battery health, which is I'm really worried about. And as you can see, the battery health is 100%, which is really good. But does it have original battery? I don't know. So in comes to the performance, I mean, it does get little warm, but if you use the cover, you won't be able to feel that. Hello. So now I just install the YouTube, and let's play some music. And as you can see, the sound quality is really good. It's not even on the Mac. So it is better than the most Android you will get for this price point. So I have no complaint about the sound output. Now for using this daily, I think this would be a great daily driver phone for the most people. I don't think you will notice any difference. Yeah, it does get really warm on back, but if you're using cover, you won't able to notice that as well so far. And I bought this phone just for 23,000, which is quite a deal for this phone, because even though this is 3 years old phone, this still has really good processor. This still can record good videos in 4K 60 fps. So yeah, feel free to like, subscribe, and peace out.